a list of healthy foods with no carbs and no sugar. In today's health-conscious world, many people are striving to lose weight and improve their overall health. Processed carbohydrates and refined sugars found in junk food have been proven to cause inflammation throughout the body, leading to various illnesses such as diabetes, obesity, heart attacks, and strokes. To combat this, we have compiled a list of 16 healthy foods that are low in carbs and sugars and provide essential nutrients for the body to heal naturally. You can support by subscribing to my Natural Health channel by commenting and liking before going to our video. 1. Kale. This nutrient-dense leafy green vegetable helps lower inflammation and provides energy and nutrients. It contains no carbohydrates, only healthy forms of fiber. 2. Eggs. This protein-rich food contains all the building blocks of life, with no carbs or sugars. 3. Pecan nuts. With a low amount of net carbs and a high amount of fiber, pecans provide minerals that heal the thyroid gland and are an excellent source of omega-3. 4. Cheese. This healthy source of fat-soluble vitamins such as A, E, D, and K2 helps the body absorb calcium and contains healthy fatty acids and proteins that improve brain health. 5. Chicken. This lean white meat is rich in iron, protein, calcium, potassium, and B vitamins, supporting heart health and increasing serotonin in the brain to ward off depression. 6. Butter. Pure butter that has not been blended with vegetable oil is a low-carb food rich in natural fats, including vitamin A, which protects eyes, skin, and hair, and bioavailable calcium that strengthens bones. 7. Beef. This healthy red meat is an excellent source of vitamin B12, develops healthy muscles, and provides energy. 8. Salmon. This omega-3 rich fish heals the body internally and is particularly beneficial when trying to lose weight. Eating fish improves the central nervous system's health and contains no carbs or sugar. 9. Coconut oil. This healthy oil is an excellent source of natural fats and provides an alternative fuel for the body. It contains no sugars or carbs and helps you achieve strong mental focus and overall health. 10. Green tea. This drink contains no carbs or sugar yet is one of the healthiest on the planet. Rich in antioxidants, green tea heals the body internally at the cellular level, helping you lose weight and lower inflammation. 11. Watermelon. This fruit contains an extremely low amount of carbohydrates and natural sugars, rich in fiber and minerals that flush the digestive system and keep the colon healthy. 12. Cauliflower. Known for its anti-inflammatory effects due to its concentration of antioxidants, this healthy vegetable contains 2 groups of antioxidants scientifically proven to slow the growth of cancer cells. 13. Blackberries. Berries contain the lowest amount of sugar among all fruits. Blackberries and strawberries contain pigments that heal the body and sharpen the brain. 14. Xylitol. A natural sweetener made from the wood of birch trees, xylitol is a replacement for granulated sugar, tastes exactly the same, and is not absorbed by the body. It does not trigger an insulin response, making it excellent for weight loss. 15. Mint. This powerful natural herb contains anti-inflammatory menthol that heals the body from within. It contains no sugars or carbs and can be used in many dishes or drinks. 16. Turmeric. This spice can be used in cooking to boost the body's health rapidly, aiding weight loss and curing depression and anxiety. Add black pepper to help your body absorb the curcumin compound it contains. In conclusion, many foods contain no sugar and no carbs and provide the highest amount of plant-based nutrients. Most leafy green vegetables can be eaten raw to retain their nutrients. However, it is essential to be aware that many fruits contain a lot of fructose. I wish you all a healthy life free from diseases. If you want to be informed about useful information on our Natural Health channel, you can support by liking, subscribing, and pressing the bell button. In this way, you can watch our new videos with the notifications that will come to your message box. Stay healthy. See you again.